Alright guys, so as you can see the malls are pretty empty right now and ये जो है is because of the rule जो मैंने आपको अपने पिछले से बताया था. So still let's go now. We are going to go into H&M and shop. So at least there's a little bit of crowd in H&M. थोड़ा सा था. It's not as deserted. सो ये हूँ मैं आपकी टूर गाइड एंड मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि अभी जो रूल्स हैं आपको दोनों वैक्सीनेशंस लिए बिना मॉल्स में एंट्री नहीं मिलेगी एंड ऑल द स्टाफ ओनर्स एक्सेट्रा एंड एवरीबडी हु इज़ वर्किंग हैज़ कंपल्सरीली गॉट टू बी वैक्सीनेटेड. इस वजह से ये जो रूल है डबल वैक्सीनेशन की, इसकी वजह से मॉल्स में अभी उतनी भीड़ नहीं है. बट एनीवेज आई एम गोइंग टू कीप शॉपिंग एंड लेट यू एन्जॉय विदाउट yakking too much into your ears. I'm looking at some gym wear. H&M has some really good gym stuff. Shopping on the ground floor of H&M and now I am going up to the first level where I only come for accessories because यहाँ पे तो कुछ खास होता नहीं है. Fashion shopping is down. So guys, this is the Crocs showroom and it is so good. They have such awesome stuff this time. I'll just give you a sneak peek.
ये सारा चाहिए, ये सब नहीं है, वो अलग से है.
So you can select the stickers which are here and just pin them onto your Crocs. It's so cool. So each of these can be removed and put, right? You can select from your yeah. तो मुझे पता नहीं था उस वक्त कि ईच ऑफ दी स्टिकर्स जो हैं दे आर फॉर $240 ईच एंड आई थिंक ईच प्राइस वेरीज. तो अगर आपको ये अपने क्रॉक्स पे लगाना है यू लिटरली हैव टू बाय सेपरेटली. एंड इससे पहले मैं मैक्स स्टोर गई थी जो व्लॉग में ऊपर लिंक कर दूंगी और नीचे भी. सो यू कैन सी दैट जहाँ मैंने एक्सचेंज की थी मैक लिपस्टिक्स. और ये है बाथरूम शेनानिगन्स बिकॉज मॉल में खाली बाथरूम मिलना तो इज़ लाइक अपने आप में एक एडवेंचर होता है. सो यू कान जस्ट वॉक आउट विदाउट डूइंग सम ड्रामा. एंड दैट कंक्लूड्स दिस व्लॉग. शाम हो चुकी है, वी आर हेडिंग होम. और घर जाके आई थिंक 1-2 दिन बाद मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी व्हाट आई पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम H&M इन दिस पर्टिकुलर व्लॉग. एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं डिनर के लिए. बेसिकली रात ही हो गई थी सो अ स्मॉल डिनर ब्रेक इज इन ऑर्डर बिफोर आई सी यू अगेन फॉर द हॉल. Okay guys, so these are the things I got from H&M. This is My H&M haul, also ये बता दूँ कि a couple of things are going to be going back, but still I'll show them to you. Okay, so let's get started with the haul. The first thing I want to show you is this pretty pair of pants. ये जो है it's like a straight leg pant. थोड़ा baggy है, but it fits very nicely. Like you know, it will literally give you a little bit of a curve. और मुझे इस type के like you know I really like these kind of pants. Now the deal with this is अगर आप इनको online मंगाए before trying it, so you don't know exactly how will it look. You know like will it look you know like will it give you that shapely look या आपको पहले ऐसी baggy लगेगी. So that's why I really liked these after trying them. And by the way, H&M के अभी trial rooms खुल चुके हैं. You will get to try the clothes. And this has got a little, you know, like इसका नीचे का जो part है, it's a little ruched, like there's a little elastic here. So this looks super cute. And this is for $12.99, a very good price. Next up, I have this cropped little hoodie. अब ये hoodie is I wanted this, लेकिन मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं ये रखूँ या return करूँ. It's so cute. इस पे लिखा है no fear, oopsie, no fear, and it is very vibrant. Full sleeves है, बहुत ही short है, and I really don't know whether to keep it or not because after wearing it, it looks like you know a little bit I don't know. So and I do not have you know जो आजकल दिखा रहे हैं every cropped top has got like the entire midriff showing. I mean, all of us don't have midriffs to show off. I तो certainly don't. I have a pumpkin to show off. So I'm not so happy about that. लेकिन ये मुझे इतना पसंद है, मेरी like हसरत है that I should like you know maybe some point of time wear this. But I don't know whether I'm going to keep it or return it. The same line, ये एक और छोटा सा crop top है. But the thing is, it's just $700, so I may end up keeping it. This is again very short, cute, and इसका जो end है, it's very cute. Like there is a little bit of ruching here. Let's see if I can show that to you. So आप देख रहे हो उसका जो edges है, it's like very cute. Like you know this little frilly kind of a thing in the edges. It's so cute, and it's just $700. So I don't know. So this is a little cute little thing, but again ये मेरे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है because I'm not a midriff showing person at least right now. So ये रखूँगी, return करूँगी, I don't know. Let's see. But this pair of jeans is so amazing, and I have been looking for a ripped pair of jeans. Like literally मैंने एक vlog बनाया था how I hunted before the lockdown and वो कहीं नहीं मिला, but finally I got this one, and this is so good. ये थोड़ा skinny है. The legs are so good, and that's why I'm standing up away, like you know, so you can get a better look at this. See, this is what it looks like. इसका bag जो है plain and simple, but it is so cool. God, this is $2699. Oopsie, a little expensive. लेकिन so a good decent pair of jeans जिसका like you know a fabric अच्छा हो, it shouldn't tear or something, like you know, and like last you for a while. Love these jeans. Love. Okay, इसके साथ I have got something which I was really looking around for. So I'm coming down to the accessories now. I finally got that, which is a jeans का belt. So this goes around your जो आपका belt होगा, this goes around that and like looks so cool. इसको style करने में I'm going to really enjoy myself styling this. So you can see this. It is for the H&M accessories are not very cheap. ये 800 का है, 799. But I have high hopes and मुझे like literally चाहिए था. So this is a belt, a jeans belt rather. Next up is this belt again. ये belt है and what I really like is ये पूरे आपके कमर को like you know it's totally it goes around and leaves a little bit of it hanging. So thank God like you know for that, because with my pumpkin I'm like not sure. So many of them don't even fit me, but this guy is really pretty, and like I said, I can't wait to style these. So that was another belt. I got a little anklet. ये है जो एक ankle bracelet. This it's got a little ankle thing and like you know 1, 2 and 3 of them I think. This was for $600, $599. Last thing I got is just a plain clip. Like it's very pretty. It's got a gold thing happening. Like you know, it's a gold thing and इसका quality काफी अच्छा है. So I hope ये ज़्यादा काला नहीं हो जल्दी. Again, this is for $399. H&M accessories जो होते हैं, they are not very cheap, but some of the quality is like really good because I've been wearing small earrings जो मैंने शायद previous haul में दिखाई थी, and वो gym में मैं पहनती हूँ, I sweat like a pig, but nothing has happened to them as yet, touch wood. So this was my little H&M haul, and I think I'll be returning these back. The 2 tops, I think I'll return it. Please let me know in the comments. इनको रखूँ, return करूँ, क्या करूँ? I'm like, I want to wear these, but no midriff. No midriff girl. So that's it from me for just this haul. You can expect a couple more hauls coming because मेरे पास लिटरली कपड़े नहीं है. सिंस आई हैव बीन लाइक इन द एंटायर लॉकडाउन मैंने कपड़े अपने लिए लिए ही नहीं है. मे बी couple of 1 or 2 here and there, that's it. So I'm really short on clothes, which means some hauls are coming your way, and I hope these are helpful to you to decide. And that's it from me. Take care of yourself, stay beautiful, bye.